Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video, but I'm hoping this is going to be helpful to at least some of you. And whilst I talk about this issue, please enjoy some footage I've just recorded of the active track on my new Air 2S, along with some flight footage as well. Right, so for some time now, the latest smartphones, including the Galaxy S21, along with the iPhone 12 range, have not been listed as compatible with the DJI Fly App. Now, the Fly App, of course, is needed regardless of which drone you're flying out of the current range, such as the Mini 2 or the Air 2 or the Air 2S. All of these drones, along with the new FPV drone, do require the DJI Fly App. Now, this hasn't been a huge deal because most of these smartphones that haven't been listed as compatible have still functioned correctly. Anyhow, I've been using the iPhone 12 without any serious issues. However, the problem does arise if you need support from DJI, because one of the first questions they're going to ask you is, well, which smartphone are you using? And as soon as you tell them you're using the Galaxy S21 or the iPhone 12 or whatever the case may be, they're just going to tell you, unfortunately, that phone hasn't been tested. Please try with another device. I've seen examples of this on the forums. That is how the support staff have responded, which is a bit of an annoying issue because these phones have been out for some time now. However, fortunately, I've just noticed on the DJI website that the latest smartphones are in fact now listed as compatible or recommended models. Now, this has only been updated over the last day or two, and I know this because when the download for DJI Fly was first updated to 1.4.0 last week, it was still not showing the latest smartphones as recommended devices. But now, if we do head over to that downloads page, we can see on the recommended devices for iPhone, we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the iPhone 12 Pro, the 12 and the 12 mini listed as a recommended device, along with, under Android, the Samsung Galaxy S21. Now, I haven't been paying attention to other manufacturers, so I'm not sure if, any other latest models have recently been added to these lists, but it's great to see that the current generation of smartphones are now going to be supported by DJI going forward. Kind of handy, especially as we're hearing rumours now of the potential release of the iPhone 13 and presumably whatever's going to be coming next for Samsung. Now, I did wonder why it was taking DJI so long just to test out these current generation of smartphones to actually put them on their recommended devices lists, and I guess we'll never find out why that was, but it is nice that it has finally happened. Now, because this coincides with the version 1.4.0 release of the Fly app, I also wonder whether there's been any specific changes to the software itself that means that it is now going to function a little bit better with these current generation of phones. Now, as I say, I didn't have any serious issues with my iPhone 12. I did have some problems with the compass, which I did seem to resolve eventually. And I am currently having some problems, even though it is now a recommended device, with the height, which I've talked about in a previous video. I won't repeat that, but I don't think that's anything to do with the phone because that just seems to be a universal problem with 1.4.0 at the moment. But hopefully, at the very least, this means that my iPhone 12 and these other current generation of phones that are now included have been thoroughly tested by DJI, and if we do need support, then we'll be able to get that without any future headaches. But like I said at the start, this was just going to be a quick video to make you folks aware of that, so I hope it has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to drop a like. That does actually support me because it means YouTube will just push these videos out a little bit more to people. And don't forget you can subscribe as well to be notified of future DJI droning content. So thanks so much for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. And until next time, happy flying. Take care, folks.